This is a no frying recipe. We're going to add flour to our boiling water. Also add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 spoonful of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 2 cups of wheat flour and 3 glasses of water, and you want to just stir and mix that really, really well. Of course, do it carefully as the water is boiling. The water needs to be hot to really cook that flour. And you want to just stir constantly to keep it cooking. Now, once the flour stops sticking together, it is ready. So this is the result that we have been waiting for. You can see the dough comes off the bottom of the pan super easily. So at this point, we're just going to turn off the heat and pour the dough into a bowl. And after it is cooled, let's shape it. So pour the dough onto a floured tabletop, add some wheat flour on top, then add 1 spoonful of yeast. And after kneading the dough, you just want to roll it out with a rolling pin. Then after rolling it out, we are going to season it. So start with 1 tablespoon of butter. Once you've added that, you're going to roll it out a bit more. And just carefully roll up the dough. You want to press the edges of the dough together and roll up very carefully to close. Do this very, very carefully. Now the next step is to cut. So with the help of a cutter, you just want to cut that into medium-sized pieces. If you prefer, you can do it with a knife. And then next, you're going to separate a piece of dough. You want to spread it in with wheat flour, and then roll out the dough again with a rolling pin. Now, after rolling out the dough, you will have this result, and use a pastry mold to cut your dough. So remember to fill it with cheese or the filling of your choice. I'm going to add cheese that's seasoned with herbs. And then just close the dough very, very carefully. The tip here is to do this very carefully. Now, I prefer to use this tool so it looks super pretty, but up to you. But you will see how beautiful it looks. So remove and set aside. Now finish the process with everyone. You want to place the pastries on a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper. And after you've finished with everyone, add the beaten egg yolks. Then finish with some white sesame seeds. And then you're just going to bake at 320 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Our recipe is now ready. I think we should go ahead and try it. So take it out and enjoy. Wow, so delicious.